A light magnitude 2.7 earthquake occurred in the Ionian Sea near Zakynthos Island, Greece, in the early afternoon of Tuesday, May 27, 2025 at 3:20 p.m. local time, GMT+3. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, Raspberry shake after 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 3 days after a magnitude 3.0 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 25, 2025, at 1:45 a.m. GMT+3 local time, in 50 kilometers, 31 miles, distance to the north. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.